Hi everyone. So let me give you a demo of how paper prototyping will work. So the user would have to, the user is looking to explore or investigate into an issue, and he or she would want to create a ticket out of that issue using our AI generated recommendations. And then the user would need to go ahead and resolve that ticket once the issue has been resolved. So to begin with, here's our dashboard where we have different sections on the dashboard. And the main sections are the dashboard, alerts, machine trends, and tickets section. And on the right hand, you can see the alerts, tickets, and there are some important graphs on the center of the screen. So looking at the energy consumed for this certain duration, the user investigates that okay, that the energy has been on the rise, so wants to investigate into what metrics are responsible for affecting this rise in energy consumption. So if you see the threshold limits graph at the bottom, the user would first see shift-wise data. So she would tap on the All Shifts button, and the drop down would open up. She would change the shift to whichever one she sees a concern in, and then she would see a shift-wise graph after tapping on the on one of the metrics. Screen would shift to this. The user would be led to the machine trend section. So within the machine trend section, the user sees that the temperature metrics in particular seems to be responsible for this high energy consumption, and he or she wants to create a ticket out of it. So in order to do that, there are some check boxes here. The user taps on them and it gets active, and subsequently the create a ticket button also gets active. So once the issue anomaly has been selected, the user can go ahead and create a ticket. So let me tap on create ticket. This pop-up would open up in order to create a ticket out of the anomaly that was previously detected. So first, let's set the priority to high. Once the priority has been set, the machines have been pre-selected. The anomaly detected has been made a note of, and let's use the AI generated generate recommendations feature. Once that button has been tapped on, the recommendations would appear. So you can see one recommendation generated by the AI out here, and you can also go ahead and regenerate that recommendation by tapping on regenerate. So once this looks good, the user can go ahead and create a ticket. So let's go and create a ticket. Once the ticket is created, the user is led to the tickets page where the user can see that the ticket was added successfully. So now that the ticket has been added successfully, the user can go ahead and view these tickets. So let's go ahead and view this temperature ticket that was just created. So once you tap on the temperature ticket, you'll be able to see all of the details associated with that ticket. And once the issue has been resolved, the user can actually go ahead and mark that as resolved. So let's go ahead and mark it as resolved. The ticket has been resolved successfully, and the user has successfully completed the flow.